This is SUPTOURS, where you can book your mountain bike ride and stand-up paddle tours. They have also rooms inside at very affordable rates. And they have a spectacular view of the LOBOC River. We're taking a 1-hour paddle tour. It's for 800 pesos. If you want a half-a-day tour, it's 1,600 pesos, I think. Sign a waiver. How deep is the river?
5 to 7 meters deep.
Meters!
Yeah,
Gosh!
There's no crocodile, no shark, nothing. Just fish and crab.
Do you fish from the river also? What kind of fish do you... Okay, how much for the mountain bike tour?
Just depend. We have the tour A, B, and C. The A is 500, then B is 950. Then
And
the
C.
tour C, the hard one is 1,000.
So what's the difference?
Yeah, uphill.
At the trail? The trail would be different. So the harder the trail is.
The big cross count.
Ooh. How long would the trail take?
3 hours. Yeah, the hard one.
And for the easy one?
It's like 1 hour.
An hour's tour. Okay. So I have to raise my arm like that. So according to my reach.
Yeah.
Alright. So the paddle will be measured accordingly. Ready with our paddles. We are not allowed to take more than one cell phone. So for us to balance, we're not supposed to bring anything. That's John, our official travel guide in our paddle boarding activity. He is now showing how to use the oars. Stay at the center of the paddleboard. Stay in the middle of the river. Avoid the banks. Avoid coconut trees. Toward the falls.
Yeah, it does look really hot.
They are going upstream towards the waterfalls while we went the other way for a 1-hour rafting trip. There's Nicola and his girlfriend from Italy.
Okay, did you? Yeah. Yeah.
That was cool. So cool. And so hot water. So hot air. But I won't jump.
Go over by the, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm becoming an expert. Expert paddler.
We're back! We just had our first paddleboarding experience on that raft and up the river and back. We survived. We even went swimming down the river. And as a welcome treat, we are served with free drinks, a Sprite, and fresh coconut juice. So yummy. Let's sit down and relax. Let's find a hammock. Where's my hammock? All right. So time for us to relax. This is Joan of Arc at LOBOC River and relaxing. Bye-bye for now until our next tour.
Come on, just climb up, John. Just go up.
I can't even climb up.
No, you can go. You can do that. You can do it.
I did it already.